Hello everyone. Welcome back to Simply Listen. Today we are not just talking about words. We are talking about your life. Close your eyes for a moment and listen. There is a power inside you that is stronger than any problem. That power is your attitude. Some people think that to be happy they need a big house, a fast car, or a lot of money. They wait for the world to change before they smile. But I want to tell you a secret. The world will not change for you. You must change for the world. Your attitude is like a candle in a dark room. It does not wait for the sun to come up. It makes its own light right now. Think about 2 seeds planted in the ground. A heavy rock is sitting on top of them. The first seed looks at the rock and says, "This is too heavy. I am small and weak. I will never grow." That seed stays in the dark and dies. But the second seed has a different attitude. It says, "The ground is tight and the rock is hard, but I have life inside me. I will push a little bit every day." Slowly, that small seed moves the earth. It grows around the rock and reaches the sun. It becomes a beautiful tree. You are that seed. The rock is your debt, your difficult boss, your failed exams, or your lonely nights. If you have a weak attitude, those rocks will crush you. But if you have a strong attitude, you will realize that the rock is actually there to help you grow. It is making your roots stronger. It is teaching you how to fight. Without the rock, the tree would be weak. Do not pray for an easy life. Pray for a strong attitude. Many people say, "I will be happy when I get that job," or "I will be confident when I lose weight." You are putting your power in the future. Why? You can choose your attitude right now. You can choose to be grateful for the breath in your lungs. You can choose to be proud that you are trying to learn English today. Confidence is not a trophy you win at the end of the race. Confidence is the way you tie your shoes at the start of the race. Stop being a victim of your past. Maybe people hurt you. Maybe you made mistakes. Your past is like a book that is already finished. You cannot change the pages. But your attitude is the pen in your hand today. You are writing the next chapter right now. Are you going to write a story about someone who gave up? Or are you going to write a story about a hero who rose again? Listen to me carefully. The world is full of talented people who are broke and miserable. The world is full of smart people who are stuck in life. Why? Because they have a poverty mindset. They think the world owes them something. But winners have an abundance mindset. They know that if they want something, they must become the kind of person who deserves it. They work while others sleep. They learn while others complain. They smile while others frown. Your attitude is your shield against the poison of negativity. People will doubt you. They will tell you that you are not good enough. They will say you are too old or too young. Let their words fall off you like rain on a stone. A stone does not care about the rain. It stays strong. You must stay strong. Do not let someone else's dark mind steal your light. Every morning when you wake up, you have a choice. You can wake up and say, "Oh no, another long day." Or you can say, "Thank you for another chance." This small choice changes your energy. It changes how people look at you. It changes the opportunities that come to you. Powerful attitude is a magnet. It attracts good people and big success. So stand up straight. Take a deep breath. Look at your challenges and smile. Tell your problems, You are big, but my attitude is bigger. You are a champion. You are a fighter. You are a light in this world. Thank you for choosing to listen and grow with Simply Listen. Believe in yourself because I believe in you.